Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to compare the specs between the camera 2K by Xiaomi with the 2K Pro and what are the main differences. So let's look here on the resolution. So we can clearly see that the resolution is a tie. Then the night vision is a tie. Aperture tie, lens tie, both got 6p. Then in the field of view, you're gonna have only by not so much, like only 10, but it can make some difference. So by 10, you have better 2K Pro. Video codec same, audio 2K Pro again better. Then you can have AI features, they both got it. Then privacy features 2K Pro. Then you can have temperature same. Then storage is the same tie. Then 2K Pro is also better for connectivity, so definitely check the connectivity on both, because on the let's say the 2K you have only 2.4 GHz, but here you can have also 5. Dimensions 2K Pro, weight tie, voice accessibility compatibility tie, then installation tie. 2K Pro got more features. Yes, you can have AI human detection, pen tool zoom, but you can have also physical shield, Bluetooth gateway, and the price is a little bit higher. So in that regard, the camera 2K is better. So as you can see, like there isn't much that much difference when you look here, for example, for the resolution for both cameras. So even if you see that you're gonna have a cheaper price for the 2K, you can go with that. But just be aware that here you're gonna have more vertical field of view, then a little bit probably better audio quality, then privacy features, the connectivity, but maybe it's not going to be that issue if you have 2.4 GHz router. And then also more special features, but here's the thing, maybe you're not going to need it. So this was just a spec comparison for you. I hope it gave you a little bit of value for you to decide between these two products. I just wanted to make it like a quick and effective. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.